Pray for your mans. Today is Monday, 8:53 a.m. I'm gonna try to get to the gym by 9 a.m. On Mondays, I like to work on my top and my bottom, the whole body. But over the weekend, probably on Thursday and last Friday, I did 100 squats and I did 100 kettlebell swings. And my legs are still burning from that. I don't know if it's safe to do it all over again while you're still sore, but I let my body rest for 2 days. I gotta get back at it. All right, so I'm heading to the gym to knock out 100 squats with the kettlebell, 100 kettlebell swings. I also got some other stuff I'm gonna do, because like I said earlier, that today is Monday, and today is the day where I like to do all core exercises for my body, top half, lower half. I'm gonna be in here for like an hour and a half. I got my water. I got my tripod so I can record it. I just hope the gym ain't packed. Shouldn't be. Around this time, no one's ever in there. I'm nervous. My thighs are on fire, yo. I should be able to knock it out though. I made a mistake.
Nemo gets a little confused when he sees another bird, so it's exactly like it.
It was an amazing feeling after having
20 more, and I'll be at 100. Another 40 to go. Okay, so I'm in my gym and I'm in here with someone I'm usually in here with every morning at the same time. I come to the gym between 8:30 and 10. And the reason why I'm so quiet is because I ain't want to say that in front of her. But I am dying right now. I'm 20 kettlebell swings away from 100, and I've already did 100 squats. That pre-workout I drank is about to fly out of my mouth from vomit. But I'm gonna do this.
Team Hustler Radio. Holla at your boy.
I promised myself when I got to the studio, I wasn't gonna talk that much. Don't worry, I'm not. I've been here before. The top, that is. I think I'm gonna stay here though. You can tell by the sound of my voice. I want it more than ever. So does my homegirl Chastity. The poster girl.
Team Hustler Radio.
MVP me. All the hated girls wanna EVC me. On the screen looking fly in my fly BB. Hop up on the track while they good like C.
That's the bad guy.
MVP.
This workout was brought to you by a 45-pound kettlebell.
A living legend in the flesh. Got you past.
Who put this thing together?
Bad guy.
That's who.
I just want the success after gaining the respect. Travel across the U.S. every day, it's a new jet. Somerset, you bet. Neiman Marcus, where you at? Probably changing trash, talking about you popping tags. About to cop my girl a bag, something yours ain't never had. That ain't Louis, take it back. What the f you done to that? See, I'm finally on the map, bringing Motown music back. That boy Kim is on the track, rapping. It's a rap, so whatever you dropping, just drop it. I'ma wait a while. And most of you just flopping, call them barrages. Sick like a pedophile. Excuse my choice of words. I'm talking music while you look like I'm some type of perv. I have a bird on my wrist, is what they wanna hear. I do some singing in my flow, them niggas disappear.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. That last one was kind of funny. So don't mind that one. There you have it. 100 squats with the kettlebell, 100 kettlebell swings. I did a lot of other workouts. I can't even name them all, but it's loading. Wait. I had to sit down. But yeah, today's workout, Monday, whole body. I feel great. Thanos, Bane, body loading. A lot of people are asking why I started this crazy. I don't know if it can be classified as a diet, but I'm 2 weeks, 15 days in, no alcohol, no meat, no marijuana, no sweets, no sugars, no sugar, and I'm only doing it so I can work out. I need to be able to hit the gym with no distractions, no reason to say I'm tired. My body feels great, I sleep better, and the motivation of why I'm doing this is because this Halloween, I'm wearing 2 costumes, and I want to make sure my body's in shape to wear the costumes. One of the costumes is going to be Thanos, Marvel, and then the other one's going to be Bane, DC. I really want to be in shape. I really want to wear the outfit. I'm walking around, especially for Bane. Bane is the one I really want to be. Because I'm trying to walk around looking like that dude, you know what I'm saying? So I use that as like my motivation to get in the gym. hopefully by the time October 30th comes in, I'll be ready to go. I'm not looking at no scale. I don't wanna define my shape by a number. So I'm just going in and working out, getting my body better, and I just let the mirror tell me if it's working or not. And for everybody that's watching this video, thank you. I told y'all earlier this summer that this YouTube channel, my Facebook page, all my social media is gonna be so random. So just subscribe, like, follow, email, message, DM, get in contact with your boy, follow your boy. You about to see a change in a lot. Oh, and don't forget, drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water, a lot.